When I moved out from UC Berkeley, I had one big problem. I didn't even know where I was moving next. My lease was ending. Graduation was coming. But my next apartment wasn't confirmed yet. I couldn't keep all my belongings with me. Then I realized I also had to prepare boxes, packing tape, and shipping labels. It felt overwhelming. That's when I ordered the UC moving kit. Everything arrived in one package. I could start packing immediately. Boxes, packing tape, printed labels, label pouch. It saved me so much time. Since my next place wasn't ready, I used UC moving storage. It gave me enough time to figure everything out.
Almost there.
After packing, Premium Pickup collected everything
Got
from
it.
inside
Watch
my
your step.
apartment. I didn't have to carry
Thanks.
heavy boxes. What I liked was having different options. Storage, cross-country moving, international shipping. Everything worked together. Looking back, I think the biggest advantage wasn't just shipping. It was having a moving plan from beginning to end. That's why I'd recommend UC moving to other Berkeley students.